Now, a day after Mayawati dumped 4 ministers from her cabinet, another senior minister lashed out at the Lokayukta for his crusade against corruption. Daring the Lokayukta at a rally in Hathras, the minister said that he knows the law well enough to get the Lokayukta removed.
तुमसे मेरे संबंधन होते तो मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाकर के तुम्हारा रिमूवल करा देता, तुमको हटवा देता.
Uttar Pradesh Power Minister Ramvir Upadhyaya's outburst against the state Lokayukta. Ironically, it came after he was given a clean chit by the ombudsman in a case of misuse of MLA funds and allotment of power tenders to private companies. The minister says his anger is justified because the Lokayukta humiliated him during his deposition.
मैंने बताया मैं कानून क्या भाई, हमने कानून पढ़ा है. 15 साल ऐसे नहीं है. रामवीर उपाध्याय घास खोद के आएगा. हम भी बल्कि कानून पढ़े हुए हैं. 15 साल वकालत करने के बाद मल्होत्रा साहब हम यहाँ तक आए, इसलिए हमको मत छेड़ो.
But the clean chit could be just a temporary relief, as 2 more complaints against the minister are being probed by the Lokayukta.
अगर कोई लोकायुक्त की अवमानना करता है तो अधिनियम में प्राविधान है कि हम उसकी एक कंप्लेंट जो है कॉम्पिटेंट मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने दाखिल कर सकते हैं. हो सकता है कोई उनको परेशानी हुई होगी, इसलिए मैं इसमें कोई कार्रवाई करने के बारे में मैंने अभी कुछ नहीं सोचा है, लेकिन हाँ, चुनाव आयुक्त को जरूर इस पर संज्ञान लेना चाहिए.
With the high-stake assembly polls just round the corner, Mayawati could not afford to ignore the Lokayukt's scathing indictments. So heads have begun to roll, with the UP Chief Minister axing more than a dozen ministers from her jumbo cabinet. This clean-up act is likely to intensify in the days ahead, as the Lokayukta could turn the heat on 28 more MLAs and MPs and ministers. But such a blatant attack on the Lokayukta by a senior minister clearly exposes the double-speak of the BSP on the issue of corruption. On one hand, advocating for a powerful Lokpal, while its ministers continue to mock and ridicule the state Lokayukta. With Gulshan Kumar in Hathras and Ramesh Verma and Anand Zanane in Lucknow, Alok Pandey, NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.